sartorius muscle, sartorius, vastus lateralis, rectus femoris, vastus intermedius, and vastus medialis. These are the quadriceps. Rectus femoris above, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, and vastus intermedius below the rectus. This is the sartorius muscle. Medially, the medial group of muscles starting from this is adductor longus, below the longus, and behind we have above here the adductor brevis. This is brevis, and below here this is adductor magnus muscle. This is the gracilis. So these four muscles combine the medial group. Gracilis, adductor longus, behind the longus brevis, below and behind the longus is adductor magnus muscle. Between the adductor longus and the brevis, here we can see the anterior branch of the obturator nerve, and here within the anterior groove these are the branches of the femoral nerve. These are muscular branches for the sartorius, for example, and this is the longa saphenous nerve, which is cutaneous for the lower limb, the continuation of our femoral nerve, saphenous. This is the posterior compartment of the leg. Here, this is biceps femoris long head, and this is the biceps femoris short head. Okay, this here is the semitendinosus muscle, and below this is the semimembranosus muscle. Okay, so again, semimembranosus, semitendinosus, long and short head of biceps. The long and short head of biceps.